Here I have Motorola G100, and today I'm going to show you how to enable Do Not Disturb mode on this device. So firstly, you have to go to the upper bar, and here you can find the button Do Not Disturb. Just tap on it once and you can switch this mode. By holding your finger on it, you can access some of its settings. For example, you can add exceptions for this mode, like it could be people. In people you have conversations, all conversations, or only priority conversations, or none conversations. It could be calls from shared contacts, from all contacts, from anyone, from any user, or from nobody. There's also an option allow repeat callers. If the same person calls a second time within 15-minute period, this call will be added to the exceptions too. The same goes to messages. You can also add applications to the exceptions. You can also add alarms, media sounds, touch sounds, reminders, or calendar events. You can add a schedule for this mode, like a time period when this mode will be automatically enabled and then disabled. You can change its name. You can select days on which it will be active. You can select start time. You can select end time. You can also set it to override you can set alarm to override the end time of this schedule. And in advanced, you can set default duration of this mode until you turn it off for 1 hour, 2 hours, or as you want to set it, or like ask every time. And you can also hide notifications. You can only hide sound notifications, or you can hide sound and visual notifications, or you can customize these notifications here, which you want to hide, which you don't want to hide. So yeah. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.